Hi guys, today we're going to show you the Boon Grub baby high chair. It fits babies from 6 months to 3 years and the maximum weight is 15 kilograms. This is how it looks. Our baby is a bit smaller at the moment, but she's growing up and she will start using it soon. The reason I'm saying that is because if you take a look at the footrest, at the moment her feet are not long enough to reach this footrest at its highest setting, so she needs to be able to rest both feet on it. The chair comes with the tray, which is removable. Footrest is adjustable. You can, as your baby grows, you can lower it down, and I'll show you how to do it. You simply need to pull this lever up and towards yourself, and then once she's big enough we'll be able to readjust it and install it. Let's say right here. As for the tray, you can remove it as well. In order to do it, you will see small hook on each side underneath. So what you need to do is to pull it away from the chair and lift it up, and repeat the same on the other side, and then the tray will come off. As you can see, she's been held by this harness, which you can remove by pressing the button in the middle, and our baby will come out. Like I said, this is meant for her, but she is not big enough at the moment, but soon she'll be able to use it. The seat pad is machine washable. In order to remove it, you have to locate this strap right here and push it inside, and the pad will come off. Now you can throw it in your washing machine and clean it this way. The good thing about this chair also is this whole upper section is washable. You can put it in the dishwasher and the tray as well. To remove this upper portion, you'll see these tabs on each side. So pull it down and pull the seat up, and repeat on this side. So there's one more right here, and this will allow you to remove this section, and you can remove the harness as well, guys, if you don't want to put it in the dishwasher. Same idea. It gets removed like this, and then when you install it, simply push it through. And as you can see, guys, it's very reliable. It's not coming out. I'm gonna pull like real hard. Right now it's quite safe. So I will demonstrate how it fits in the dishwasher. So you can either put it like this or like this, and as you can see, guys, it fits, which will simplify your life. And as for the tray, it goes on top right here, and same idea, can be washed inside the dishwashing machine. I will reinstall the seat back on. Again, you have to pull these off, down first, sorry. Same on the right side, and it will snap back in place, and it's installed. And as for the tray, we have two different positions for it, guys. In case of our baby, we will use the first one first, since she is still small. First, insert these hooks inside, and then the second ones will grab it on the second slot. And can we take a look here? So push it in all the way, and it snaps back in place. The chair also comes with the hook for the baby bib, which we have as well. You can hang it right like this, and it's good to go. Also, I would like to point out that the chair has wide base and it's quite secure. It's not gonna fall or tip over. And the height of the chair is approximately 92 centimeters from the floor to the top of this tray. You can change it. You can remove this lower section if you need a slightly shorter chair. In this case, the height will be 76-77 centimeters. Once your baby's weight is over 15 kilograms, you can remove two sections from each of the legs, and you will be left over with this chair, the small one, which now your toddler can use until his or her weight is 22 kilograms. And right now I will show you how to assemble this chair. I'll show you what comes inside the box. First of all, we have the tray. Tray has hooks on each side, which will be inserted into one of these openings on the chair. Besides that, we have the footrest. The chair itself, it comes with a washable pad and the harness. The harness gets released by pressing this button. We have legs split into three different sections. We have this bracket which will hold the legs in place, and we have rubber inserts for the legs and plastic covers for these openings. First, we're going to install four leg sections which are labeled 1A, 1B, 1C and 1C. 1A will go on the right side of the chair, so once you turn it upside down, it will go on the right side. 1B will go on the left side, and two 1Cs will be in the back of the chair. The reason why we're installing 1A and 1B in the front is because they have these slots for the footrest, which can be adjusted. So we have different slots, so the height of the footrest could be adjusted later. You have this spring here. To install it properly, push it in and push it in all the way until it snaps right in, and repeat with the rest of these sections. Again, make sure that all of these get into the appropriate spots. Next will be the four sections labeled as number 2. Same idea. Push it in until it snaps. Now we are going to install this bracket. It gets attached to each of the legs this way, like that. And in the set we have 8 screws and small Allen key. Now tighten all these screws all the way. At this point we can install the rubber plugs for the legs right here and use the chair this way. In this case the height to the tray will be approximately 76 centimeters, but I will install the last sections labeled number 3 to make the chair as high as it can be. Again, same idea, guys. Insert 4 of these. In case if you want to remove any of these sections, you can use the Sharpie. Just press with this end and remove this section. This seems to work the best. Now I will insert rubber plugs. Simply push them in and repeat on all sides. Now this is the full height of the chair, approximately 92 centimeters from the floor to the top of the tray. And this is how it looks like compared to my height, which is 6 feet. Now I will install the footrest. These hooks will go into these openings. This is the highest setting. And you can also press these two together. So insert this side first, then push this one up a little bit and it's on. Now I will install the tray. It has 4 hooks right here and we'll use the second opening. So this one and this one will go inside, and then you have to push this hook on both sides, 2 hooks, all the way until it snaps like this, and the installation is complete. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful. We'll see you in the next one.